Yeah, guys, this evening I'm going to mash up some rice and peas. Yeah, guys, some rice and peas and fish, guys. As you can see over here, so cooking peas to go on. So I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to light up the food. Yeah, guys, light up the stove, make the peas go and boil, you know. So, guys, see my fish. See my fish, yeah, guys, yeah. So you don't know a bit about this in the kitchen, guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Guys, the pot cover ain't broke, you know. You understand all the details, so we just go and use the dish cover the pot. Guys, I don't know the badness though. Soon come back. Guys, I'm gonna go on grate on my coconut. Meanwhile the peas are boiled. You don't know the badness, guys. Soon come back. Guys, I'll be about this in the kitchen. Guys, I last piece of coconut left. Last piece. Yeah, guys, so finish grate my coconut. The overs. Yeah. Guys, I'll be about this. Guys, what I'm gonna do? I light up the next part of stove and start to fry my fish, guys. You don't know the body will come down. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so peel a piece of pumpkin. I go peel up to Irish and now I'm gonna sew up on guys. Yeah man. Look on the fish guys. Guys, more of the fish quite good. We're going 3 peas. Wow, guys, these are almost cooked. These are almost cooked guys. So now I'm gonna finish peel up some Irish that's gonna sew all on. I'm not from all these. Yeah. Be about this guys. Be about this. Yeah guys, so this is my pumpkin and my Irish with my fish. You don't know the badness. So I'm gonna cut up some ground cheese now guys. I'm gonna sew all on my kitchen. Also guys, I have a plantain. I'm gonna fry a plantain guys. You don't know the badness. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so this on the ground cheese, the oval. Yeah guys, be about this in our kitchen. So now go do guys, I'm gonna look for my cheese now. So I'll go on 3 peas. Guys, the cheese cooked over there. The cheese cooked guys, so now I'm gonna squeeze out the coconut. I don't know the badness. I'm not from all these. Yeah guys, and soon as my fish fry, as my fish finish fry, I go put in the plantain guys. As you can see, my plantain. And then the last fish in the pot. So then make him finish fry and then show me plantain in the pot guys. So when I go squeeze my coconut and I'll put it in the store. Yeah, guys, so this is my fried plantain, guys. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cook up my fish and make gonna sew up. And guys, I'll be about this. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna put in my rice. Show my rice in the top, guys. Be about this. Guys, I'm gonna put my rice in steam. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna deal with the fish now. Over the rice, the pan fire, go and steam out. So, fish me I deal with, guys. Guys, I see the badness in our kitchen, guys. Yeah, I'm out, guys. I'm out. Soon come back. Stay tuned to the finishing look, guys. I need at the plate. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. So this is the finishing look, guys. Rice and peas and fish and fried plantain, guys. I be badness, guys. I'm out. See you in our next video, guys.